See, see, what is hash function? We have already seen how Mac was working, how it was able to authenticate how it was able to provide the authentication plus confidentiality and digital signature was not provided by Mac. What's it like? Now, in this case, what is happening? A message of input, that means a variable size message of input produce a fixed size of output. That means message may be of any size, and that message will be divided into particular size, and we will get fixed size output from that message. That is known as hash code. In case of Mac, what was happening? We was using a key. We was using a secret key or key for input message. But in hash code, we are not using the key for us input for the function hash. We are not using key for the function hash in case of hash code. But in Mac, we was using the key for Mac code. And it is also known as hash code is also known as message digest. Hash code is also known as message digest. Okay, so another name for this is message digest or hash value, you can say. So in this case, what is happening in hash code? If there is a few change in the message, it will reflect many changes in the hash code. That means if we will perform single change in the hash code, it will reflect much. It will reflect. Let me unlock the meeting. Actually, meeting is okay. Now I am saying that in this case, hash code. Example of hash code. How it is being done. Suppose message is passed through the hash function. There is a function hash. Message is passed through that function, and separately message is concatenated with the hash value what we have received, and that is being encrypted by using secret key which was shared between both the user, and this is the value. That means in this value what is there, the encrypted value of message plus hash code. That means hash code, concatenated value of message and hash code is encrypted by the key, secret key. So that is decrypted by the secret key. Message and hash code are there. Both has to be compared. So in this case, encryption. In this case, what is happening? Confidentiality is provided because only user A and user B can have the secret key. No other user is having the secret key. And messages. In this case, you can see all these things. Now next diagram. In this case, what is happening? We are providing the message. It is going through a hash code, and the value which is coming out, that is being encrypted by the key. That means we are not applying any key on the hash function, but it can be output of the hash value is encrypted by the key, and that is being concatenated with along with message, and we are getting this one. That means plain text message is there, which is concatenated with the encrypted value of, which is encrypted by the hash value. So both concatenated value is here. That means hash value is encrypted by key. Okay. So in this case, message will pass through hash function, and some value it will receive, and this hash, the encrypted hash value will be decrypted by the secret key, and that both value will be compared. If they are same, then we can say that code is encrypted using symmetric procedure. So If you do not require confidentiality, that means if you do not require confidentiality, this method we will proceed. So in this case, what is happening? In this case, instead of secret key, instead of if confidentiality, authentication, digital signature is required, then we are using this one. Amar Jyoti is better. Okay. Now you can, in this case, you can see that the message is gone through has function, and that is encrypted by not the secret key but with the private key of the sender, and that is being concatenated along with message. So the receiver who is having the public key of the sender can only decrypt this hash code, and that this simple message goes through hash value, and both will be compared. Both value will be compared, and that means it is also providing the digital signature, because only it is known that this message came only from the user, because encrypting the hash value with the he is encrypting the hash value with the private key, not the secret key. So you can say that, and receiver end you will see that only only the public key who is having this can decrypt this message. No one else can decrypt the message, decrypt this message. But confidentiality not achieved in this case, because confidentiality not achieved in this case because any user, any user who is having the public key of A can decrypt this message. So in this case, you can see confidentiality, digital signature, everything is achieved, and it is the best method for this. That means messages go through the hash value, and that is been encrypted with the private key, and again that is being encrypted. That means the concatenation of the message plus hash value, encrypted hash value will be concatenated, and that will be further encrypted by using secret, and then it will be decrypted by the secret key, and this message it will use the public key of sender A, and both value will be compared. In the similar cases you will see like this. In this case also messages in this separate key is being used for concatenation purpose. Then the message will come, that will have the separate secret key, and that will go through the hash value, and that will be concatenated through the message. So a separate secret key will be used while it is concatenating with the hash value. So we will use for this message is secret value, and from that value will go through the hash function, and whatever the output that will be compared with. So these are the many ways we can use this hash code. So there are many ways by which we can use this. This is that method I already explained you. So when confidentiality is not required, above method are used. That means in figure B and C what I have shown, that is being used. If confidentiality is also required, then further methods are used after DE method. Figure DE. So in this case, you can see encryption software is relatively slow. That means there are the things when you will see that reason for growing intent in technique that avoid encryption. That means what are the reason why these techniques are needed. Encryption software is relatively slow. That means in case I am saying that when confidentiality not required method and VC have an advantage over that encrypt the entire message in the less computation is required. Why this figure number B and C are being used? Because encryption that means plain text message is being. You can see this figure B and C. Figure number B and C. This one. That means plain text message is being sent, not encrypted version of message is being sent. In C also you can see only plain text message is sent. That means this message is not being encrypted. Only encrypted thing is hash code. So I am saying that why these two techniques are being mostly used. These two techniques are used because encryption software is relatively slow. Encryption hardware cost is high. That means if every machine will perform the decryption, then it cost will be higher. So encryption hardware is optimized toward large data size. For a small block of data, higher performance is needed. Encryption algo may be covered by patents. So there are many patents for encryption algorithm. So that will also cost much. So I am saying that instead of this, what they are doing, instead of this, they are using previous B and C because in that case every machine had not to go through decryption. Only one or two machines which are responsible for authentication. They will use this. They will use this software and they will decrypt the hash code and they will check whether it is coming from the particular sender or it is coming from the attacker, or messages being changed or there is no alteration in the message in transit time. So this will be checked by only few machines for that, and not everyone has to decrypt. So not everyone will need the decryption algorithm or decryption terminology in their desktop or computer. So this is the method by we are using mostly. And now next class, I think so today's lecture is over and I am stopping the recording.